Alfredo Di Leone, creador of the fettuccine Alfredo, in 1908 in the trattoria, working for his mother Angela in Roma, in Piazza Rosa, as quite the disciple in 1910 with the constructor of the Gallery Colonna de Sardia. This Piazza Rosa trattoria became the birthplace of the fettuccine Alfredo. It all started when his wife Ines gave birth to her first child. The woman was prostrate after the birth of the baby Alfredo II, and her husband, worried about her health, did everything possible to get her strange big wife a healthy and nutritious diet. With his own had they prepared his fettuccine, in the semolina and the seasoned with the very fresh butter and the Parmesan cheese. He then sent a player to the Santa Ana, patron saint of the Parliament woman, and served this did to the Indian saying, "If you don't like them, I ate them." She not only ate the with recipe but rendered and add them to her restaurant menu. In Alfredo Destiny's there's two contemporary beers, his and the Blondes, has a used affectionately called his fettuccine, have been strong point of his work famed evangelist Cecil. His third work combined with great enthusiasm managed to attract clients from all over the world. Alfredo Leone opened his restaurant Alfredo in 1914 in Roma, and in 1943, during the war, he sold the restaurant to people other than the family. In 1950, Alfredo de Leon decided to reopen with his armad his restaurant in Pisa August in period 13 Ibero Alfredo di Roma, whose world famous was strengthened thanks to his nephew Alfred and knew his grandson intake with the famous gold cutlery, the gold fork and the spoon, donated in 1927 between two well-known American actors, Mary Pickford and Douglas Fairbanks, in gratitude for the hospital. Ibero Alfredo in Pisa August Imperial Rome is the history place where you can taste the only fettuccine Alfredo, whose famous has had a great international age since the 2020, when among the restaurant custom the famous American actor couple Mary Pickford and the Douglas Fairbanks have Alfredo the mystical gold country, with the which from the moment the most famous and the special goose at 8. Full cream on the Roma dos Beetle, the restaurant Ibero Alfredo, new host the most famous world personality.